Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can download AutoCAD 2024 step by step. So let's start the video. So first of all, you need to open your browser, then go to search bar and type autodesk.com. Here autodesk.com and search it. Then you will get an interface like this. Then go to products and search for educational access. So here click on educational access. After that, scroll down and click on get products. Then click on sign in. So if you don't have an account, Autodesk account, you can click on create account, and it is not so hard. You can easily create an account from this. So I have already an account and I don't need to create new one, so I simply sign in. Here is the notification that you are confirmed. You will also find a notification after sign in. So let's click on get AutoCAD software, then scroll down and search for our software. So this is our software. So don't click on install, click on download. There were supposed to be two software downloads, but we see there is only one software is downloading. Cancel this download and go back. After that, go to the pop-ups option. Here is a pop-ups option and click on always allow and done it. After that, download again. You can see two softwares are ready to download. Here our softwares are downloaded. Now let's install this. Click any of these. Choose the file location where you want to install this. Then click OK. It may take some times to install. Our installation is almost done. Then you will find Autodesk, which is preparing for install. So you can read this or ignore this and click on agree and click next. Then choose the file location, that where you want to save. Then click on install and wait. It will take some time. The installation of AutoCAD 2024 is done. Now we will wait for finalizing. You can see the installation is completed. Now you need to restart your PC. It is our AutoCAD software's icon. Let's open it. Now click on sign in option and sign up with your Autodesk account. Click on go to product. Select always allow and open. Here it is. Now you can use it free for 1 year. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel and click the bell icon.